Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to fix Codex Git error. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, whether you have it under ChatGPT or even VS Code, okay, Codex right here, just go ahead over to the plugins section, and we would just need to refresh the connection. So go ahead and find GitHub, click on the three dots, now click on Manage. Alright, so in here, you can go ahead and click on the drop down under Connected, disconnected, and then after that there will be a browser. So basically log out and then tap on reconnect. If that won't work, go back to plugins, click on three dots right here, uninstall the specific plugin or the GitHub plugin, uninstall. Once that's done, just reinstall it and log in with your account, and after that everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if you want to dive into doing it under PowerShell, you can go ahead and let me know in the comments below, as that one will take some time. So if you want to, just go ahead and leave a comment. All right. So let's say you've installed it, but still doesn't work, or you still got some errors under Git. What do we do? Close the app. Okay. Close VS Code or either ChatGPT. Go to your date and time, right click and click on adjust date and time. Make sure that everything right here is in sync. Set time zone automatically, set time automatically enabled. Then click on sync now. After that, reopen ChatGPT or VS Code. Once that's done, check if it works. And that is how you fix Codex Git error. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.